5. AI can use only 1.6% of musical notes and their functionality. Humans use 3% out of 100%. The complexity and potential of musical notes and their combinations are vast. AI, constrained by its programming and the data it has been fed, can utilize a limited subset of musical notes and their functionalities. This limitation means that AI's musical output, while technically proficient, often lacks the richness and variety that human musicians can achieve. Humans, with their intuitive understanding and creative freedom, can explore and exploit a broader range of musical possibilities. This exploration leads to more diverse and intricate compositions. Human musicians can experiment with unconventional scales, microtones, and complex rhythms, pushing the boundaries of traditional music theory. For instance, jazz musicians often use blue notes and complex chord progressions to create a distinctive sound that is rich in emotional nuance and harmonic complexity. This creative freedom allows human musicians to produce music that is not only technically proficient but also emotionally and intellectually engaging. The ability to harness a broader spectrum of musical possibilities enables humans to craft compositions that are unique and deeply expressive.